Hi, welcome to Experiment 8 in I.O.T Lab, and today I will show you my simple dashboard application in Node-RED. So first we used a button, then we label it as stuff for message, then the payload will be hello world. So the message payload. And here in the message, it will show the value format or what we entered here in the button, which is hello world. And for the audio out, we selected Microsoft David English for the text-to-speech voice. So when we tap the button, a text-to-speech voice will be heard. Then for the show notification, it will show the text hello world on the top right. Then we can also customize it for it to show in the bottom right, top left, bottom left, or okay, cancel the etc. Then for the gauge, line chart, and bar chart, we use a slider. So the data that will be seen here will depend on the slider. For the slider range, we set the minimum to 0, then max is 1, and step or increment is 1. Then for the output, continuously while sliding, done. Then for the gauge, so we set a range of minimum of 0 to a maximum of 200, same as for the slider. And for the sector, we set 0 to 75 for green color gradient, then 75 to 150 for yellow gradient, then 150 to 200 to red gradient. Then for the date picker, then we connected text, also labeled as date. Then it will show the value format of message payload, date, year, to months, to days. So we can select here in the layout how it will show in the UI. Now let's click. So let's set the start to 2. Then let's deploy. Then go to experiment 8. And here we can see the gauge is 0. Then let's try to change the value of the slider. There. See, you can see the color changes based from our inputs. Red, 200, 150, yellow, and 75, green. And for the date, let's January 9. Okay, the date is 2022, January 9. If we set it to 13, okay, January 13. Feb 22, 2023, 6, okay, 2020, February 6, 2023. Then for the button test, we input a message, hello world, then tap for message,
Hello world.
hello world.
Hello
As you
world.
can see, a text to speech can be heard.
Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world.
So there, this is a simple application for Node-RED dashboard.